power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2022 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab in ivory white. With full speed forward collision warning, night edition, 22-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seating, heated steering wheel, 40,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start system, 4-corner air suspension, spray and bed liner by Mopar, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D7991.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.